Hello and welcome to Wade on the Web. This video is going to take you through how to set up your home learning. We're going to look through how to access Glow, how to install Microsoft Office, how to install Microsoft Teams, and how to access the work. First, how do you go about accessing Glow? Glow is the Scottish national platform which allows students to access work online. You've got two options for this. You could either go onto the browser and type in https://glow.rmunify.com, or you can go into Google or another search engine and type in Glow Scotland. When you arrive at this page, you will be asked to type in your username. This is the same as you're logging in at school. You've been issued with your password in school, but if you have forgotten, please contact the school to have it reset. So how do you go about navigating Glow once you've logged in? You will have a My Launchpad. This contains tiles which you may find useful, which you can add and edit yourself. You will also have the school section. This has tiles which the school thinks will be relevant for you. Some people will also have the Fife Council and also the Scotland tab. So let's look at installing Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is going to be very important for you to be able to produce your work. The package includes Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Notebook, Publisher and Access. You'll be able to download this by clicking on the School tab on the navigation bar and finding the tile that says Download Office Now. This will automatically show you the best version to download. Click Install Office. Your page should now show something similar to this. Once the file is downloaded, it should say Office Setup.exe at the bottom of the screen. Follow the on-screen instructions. When it comes to signing in, you will need to use your Glow username, but at the end you also need to use @glow.sch.uk. Teams is where we're going to be producing most of our work. Teams can be run online or downloaded. To access the Teams, you can go to My Launchpad or onto the School Launchpad and be able to find the icon that says Office 365 Home. When you click on this page, you'll be given a navigation bar down the side of your screen. We're looking for the icon with two purple people and a T. This is for the Teams. You will then be taken to your Teams section. On this Teams page, you will see a tile for each of the different subjects you are taking. The website can sometimes be very busy as it is a national resource. I would recommend clicking on your icon in the top right hand side and pressing Download the app. Now this could either be desktop or mobile. It gives you exactly the same access, but sometimes it gives you better connection to the servers. Once downloaded, you'll be able to use exactly the same as the web version. Let's look at each of your lessons. Each of your lessons will have channels down the side. Each teacher sets their teams up depending on what the subject needs. Personally, I tend to use a general chat where only the teacher can post assignments, updates and important information. We have the general chit chat, so pupils can discuss and chat what's going on in class and in their lives. I also have I have a question. Students can pose questions and myself or other students can try and help you. On this section, I will be answering questions during your scheduled lesson time. Go to each of your lessons and see how each of them are set up. You might find it's different for each of the different subjects. How do you access assignments? Assignments are a way for teachers to give you work and detailed instructions. On your general chat, you will find across the top a tab saying Assignments. Once clicked, you'll see a list of assignments. Sometimes you will find a button saying More. If you click on this More button, it should drop down and show you all the different assignments you've been set so far. Each assignment is made up of the title, followed by the instructions. The instructions break down the task into smaller sections and guide you through the work to be completed. Reference material. This is additional information which might help you. For example, on here I have put down 2 examples of work and an example of drawing of the standard I would expect. And the student's work. This is the document you can either edit online or download and edit using the Microsoft Office that we've already talked about. You'll also see points. This shows you how many marks this piece of work is worth. How do you go about handing in your assignments, receiving your feedback, and making changes? On your assignment, under the My Work section, you'll also see a button saying Add Work. If you have downloaded the work to work offline, you must press the Add Work and upload your work again. Or, if you've taken any pictures of work, you can also press the Add Work here and upload it from your phone. You will now be given 2 options for hand-in or possibly hand-in late. Hand-in will mean that you will get your feedback at the expected time. Hand-in late might mean that your feedback will be delayed. Once you've received your feedback, you will find this on your assignment, just underneath the button saying Hand-in. This will give you a detailed description of what was successful and what needs work, and how many points have been assigned. After reading your feedback, you may need to make changes. Your changes can be carried out online or by downloading as before and uploading again. Once you've completed your work, just press Hand-in again and you will receive more feedback.